KDogs Model Car Doghouse. We'll do a little. So Shaggy and Joe are doing a buddy build and doing dirt cars. Shaggy started using a monogram Thunderbird chassis under his Nova. I made the comment about the AMT, so I'm gonna get a couple that I got laying around that I've started and kind of show how the AMT Nascar kit works under a number of bodies. We'll get them out here. We'll show you what's going on. Maybe it'll help somebody out there. Mark Jeffries actually did this years ago on one of the message boards. He sent me one. You'll see it here in a minute. He sent me one under a Chevelle. And since then, that's how I've been doing it. I'll get you around here and show you what's going on. Give me just a minute. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We'll get a little different view than what I've been doing. I bought me a new phone holder. I'm trying it out to see how it works. But this is a 69. Mark, everything's loose here. But Mark did this one and sent it to me to show me how the AMT kits work. Now, this is under a 69 Chevelle body. One of these days I want to finish that one. I've changed ideas with it a couple of times, but I think I'm going back to the original idea, what I was doing. This kind of shows you, get that tire off of there. Come off the tire. See how you change the bars? See how you change the bars in the front to panels in the back? You can see the difference. And you can cut them. You can cut them right in here and shorten them up if you need to. That's how he was doing the back. That's how he's doing the rear end of it. I still got the 9-inch under it. I got a couple in different stages I'll show you here. But Ron Coons does a rear tail clip, 3D rear tail clip. You can see it better on this one. This is in a Nova. I think this was a Pontiac chassis. See, I had to put the styrene on the sides, right there. See, back piece, there's that tail clip. And it looks more like a late model. Looks more like a late model chassis to run back in the 80s, 90s. You see how the firewalls pull the body off now. See the plastic I added to it. The bars are done for it over here in the box. I ain't never glued them in. That's one just started. Then we got one, it's got paint on it. I got it under a Malibu body. Got the gas tank. Got the gas tank in it. Lays back there in that clip. See? Lays back there in that clip. That's another one of them rear clips. This one you can't really tell the plastic because I got paint on it. Built the dash. The rear panels. Roll bars and stuff are already, roll bars are over here in the box. See, there's a, and it don't require a lot of cutting on the bars. It does on the front just a little bit. But they sit right down in there. You might have to add a bar, change a bar. There ain't much to it, but I use a 3D printed quick change. That's the quick change, it's 3D printed. Several people do that. This one I printed a few of them for myself. Most of mine are being Bowling Green Stadium cars, and they run 6-owners. So I got printed plenty plenty 250s. This is the one here that I was working on. And it, like I said, it's still loose. These were together. And I knocked this box off one day. And everything fell apart. This one's under a Ventura. 75 Ventura. One of my friends run at the Boma Gray, 256 cylinder. I started on the interior of this one. There's my seat. That's the kit seat. There's it's still in the making. So you can see up, that's the dash. They put a dash in it. Panel on the dash. You have to change the plastic back here a lot of times. Just whack it off on the rear end and it'll go in there. But just quick change the rear end up on it. Fuel cell, painted. It looks more realistic than just doing the monogram. Bad thing about using the monograms are a little larger scale. And you have to narrow everything and cut everything down and shorten this. Hope that helps. Hope that helps Shaggy and Joe with their dirt track builds. And you can pick these AMT Nascar kits up. You can pick them up pretty cheap. I just bought 6 the other day. I think I'll give $25 for 6 of them. So you can pick those up. They're fun to do. I say they're fun to do, but hell, I ain't never finished a dang one of them, I don't think. I get them in a almost stage. And that's about as far as I get. I got a couple short track cars. I got decals for a few short track cars that I want to do. I've done some decal work. But anyway, I hope that helps you, Shaggy. That's what I was saying in the comments about how that works. These are resin copies of the ASA 5-lug wheel. Need somebody to do them. Need somebody to draw them up in a file. Everybody needs some of them. All of us do. But anyway, guys, hope that helps. And like the KDog says, be happy and model on.